Hey everybody, so I got a quick video to do. It's going to be an unboxing, a little spec video from Home Depot. Picked up another headlamp from Milwaukee REDLITHIUM battery, rechargeable celled headlamp. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody. Alright, so this is going to be another Milwaukee video. Picked up a single light from Home Depot. It is a REDLITHIUM rechargeable headlamp. This is a larger headlamp. It's a 475 lumen instead of the 600 lumen lights, which I got two of before. Here's the 600 lumen ones. They're a lot smaller. I'll put this one over here. So let's get this one out of the package. It's 475 lumens. It's a spot and flood beam. It is a REDLITHIUM rechargeable. This one has on it spot and flood is 475 lumens at 2 hours. Flood high is 300 lumens for 4.5 hours. Medium is 150 lumens for 8.5 hours, and low is 25 lumens for 31 hours, and spot high is 300 lumens for 4 hours. So it has a spot and flood function. It's got a high, medium, and low, and a spot high. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different modes, which is pretty nice. This one is part number 2111-21, and I'll try to get the information's not, it's too small to get up close, but we're gonna try to cut this open without harming anything. Another cable, which you have a crap ton of those cables. I got probably like 10 of them, but I flew across the room. Oh. Had to go grab the clip. Like it came with 4. There's those 4. So it is a lot larger unit. It's definitely a lot larger compared to this one. This one's a 600 lumen. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this one, it's got the two outers, and the middle are on. Then the two outers, high, medium, low, then flood, or spot beam, and then spot beam plus the two outers. So, spot and flood, that's what it is. So this is spot and flood, high, medium, low, spot, high. So it's pretty nice. Trying to get this strap out of here. Got the strap out. I do like the strap on this one. Okay, so you swing the arm out the way, and then you can get to the battery, which is 2.5, I believe. Yep, 2.5. So this is everything that it comes with. All in all, this one's nice. I do like it's a little bulkier, that the battery is built into the light and it's not technically on the end of the strap. Sometimes you don't want the heavy portion to be on the back of your head. Sometimes it's just uncomfortable. So, you know, all in all, it's nice. I do like that it's got extra features that the 600 lumen doesn't. 600 lumen only does 4 settings. This one does, I think 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, 5. And it's just got an extra amount of variety, which I like. And I did scratch it when I was trying to take it out. I actually scratched it pretty bad, but you know, it is what it is. They shouldn't have put it in the container so tightly, in my opinion. It's a nice little light. I didn't cut the strap, so that's pretty nice. I think I was more worried about cutting the strap than anything else. And it is stitched on both ends for the strap. So, and it's actually very, very nice. I bet this will probably be a lot more comfortable than this one, because this one, it's hard to adjust and get it comfortable because it's like hanging off the back, and it doesn't fit your head without a helmet very well. So we'll see if this one does, if it fits your head without a helmet better than the 600 lumen. And you know, having an extra rechargeable light around is not going to hurt anything. But yeah, just a quick video. I want to also give a shout out to Clint from Tool Review Zone. Just because, you know, he's a good guy, he always helps me out. And also, I'll leave a card up here for his channel. And I will also leave a card up here for his video on the newer 3 amp hour batteries. So these are 2.5 amp hours. They have a new 3 amp hour he did a video on. I'll put that video up here so you guys can go check that out. But this is everything it comes with. It's got helmet straps, or helmet hooks, the strap, charger cable, battery, and light. and a little instruction booklet. I appreciate you guys sticking around with me. Appreciate you guys stopping by and checking out these. We're going to be using them more. I'll give you guys my opinions on them after I've had time to use them for a while. This one I've used, the 600 lumen I've used quite a bit. Appreciate you guys' time. Appreciate you guys hanging out with me. Please like, comment, subscribe. Smash the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, as well as my DJI Electronics affiliate links. Hopefully I'll see you guys on the next video. Appreciate you guys' time, and hopefully you guys had a little fun, and it was entertaining. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace!
Yeah.